Happy New Year! First day sitting down to get back into the swing of taping, and I actually taped 2 videos, or I'm taping my second video. First one I did a Get Ready With Me, which will be going up on Tuesday. This one I just kind of wanted to sit down once again, have my medicine ball from Starbucks because my ears and my throat are all clogged up and bothering me again. I just left the hair salon and cut another 2 inches off of my hair, and I love it. I'm obsessed. It's funny, I always had my hair so long that I never really had to cut it, and now I'm in there probably every other month getting it cut because it gets to a weird level where it just doesn't look like a hairstyle anymore. When it gets to like here, it just kind of looks like I'm growing it in, which I'm not. So we cut about another 2 inches off, and I love it. It feels and looks great, I think. I'm not being obnoxious, just meaning I like the cut and color and everything right now. I'm really enjoying it. So this time next week, well, in a couple days actually, I will be turning 44. And I have been doing this for a little bit over 9 years. In 2018, it will be 10 years of doing this on YouTube, which is crazy to me. All the things I've been through in that, you know, almost 10 years is just absolutely crazy. It's pretty cool to look back at all the differences as I go. And I do apologize if you hear the kids running around. MJ has a friend over and it's a snow day. And, you know, so it is what it is. Mom life, you know what I mean? And that's something I'm going to talk to you guys about is I'm kind of taking, and I know I sit down and talk to you guys all the time about like what you guys want to see on my channel, what you guys think about my channel. And last year I definitely think was a shift for my channel. I definitely went more fashion forward than beauty and makeup. I have not probably reviewed one single item. I review kind of products and like things that work together or systems or things like that. But I don't tend to as often sit down and just do a solid review on things. I think reviews are kind of falling to the wayside. I definitely think it's much more of a communication thing now, where I tape a video and I kind of like talk back and forth with you guys through comments, through Instagram, through things like that. Instagram is definitely where I do more of the fashion side of things. But I think this year where my shift is going to be is that last year I really liked the fact that I felt like I was more me. And a lot of that is from Instagram Lives. Instagram Lives, I feel like you guys, and Instagram Stories, I feel like you guys get a better sense of me and a little bit more banter. I definitely am going to try and do more Instagram Stories this year for those of you who are missing out on my vlog videos. And I think in the past I've kind of tried to just do it more when it's like, oh, here's what I'm doing for the day, this, that, and the other. I'm going to try and show you guys and take you guys along a little bit more. I am going to do, hopefully for my next video after my Get Ready With Me one, maybe a lot of people have asked me, and I haven't done it in years, a tour of my closet slash vanity slash all of that. I think that would be fun for you guys. I am huge into like binge watching seasons of TV shows. I watched Gossip Girl. I had never watched that. I went through all of the seasons, I think this summer. Right now, I'm watching a show called Suits. It's pretty good. I would love any recommendations for TV shows from you guys. I'm not like a Game of Thrones or Vikings or like kind of sci-fi style shows. I'm more like reality TV, you know, murder whodunit, like drama, like those style of things, like Grey's Anatomy, like Nashville, like all of the Real Housewives, anything on Bravo, let's be honest. What else? Like we watch a lot of sitcoms, but Marty and I watch those together. Just really good shows you guys think I should sit down and like binge watch. I used to read a lot, and I find it's a shame. I don't read as much because now I used to read when I was on the go, and now I can watch whatever is on my TV on the go. So I don't tend to, or on Netflix or Amazon or Hulu or any of those. So I don't tend to read as much. But same thing with books. Actually, books, I like a good murder mystery. I like Sandra Brown, James Patterson, like that style too. If you guys have any suggestions on books, I'd love to hear that too. I think I am going to change this room up a little bit this year. I'm thinking I'm going to put all the jewelry over on this side, and that side I think is going to be my Monat hair care stuff. And I think I'm going to put my jeans in here and like pants and things like that. And then my shelves that are in there that are the bigger, deeper shelves, maybe do shoes so I can switch them out, and then maybe folded sweaters. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I'm kind of playing around with different ways to kind of move things about. If you guys have never tried this, and it's funny, my friend Susan told me she went to Starbucks the other day and she said she asked for a medicine ball. She said they looked at her like she had 3 heads. It's basically their peach tea, their mint tea, honey, and lemonade, steamed lemonade, and then hot water. You can get it with a shot of peppermint too. I don't like it that way. Lemonade, peppermint, they just don't go for me. But this stuff, when your throat is hurting, you guys, it is a lifesaver. I feel like I want to do more like talking style videos, like maybe discuss different TV shows we're watching, or maybe if you guys have good books, like maybe we'll do like once a month chat about a book if you guys like books. Yeah, I'm just kind of changing it up. I like the more back and forth. Sorry, I'm playing with my hair a lot because I just got it cut and it feels funny to me, but you know how that is when you first get your hair cut. I definitely think more of the kind of just like talk to you guys as I do things more than I realized when I was taping the Get Ready With Me this morning for you guys, that I'm sitting there telling you guys every product I'm using, and I'm like, this is Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer, blah, 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 blah. And then, so I'm not having as much conversation with you guys. Would you guys, and here's another question. I know when I do the fashion hauls, you guys want links in the down bar, the description bar. Like this video won't have hardly any links. But when I'm doing Get Ready With Me's, do you guys really want the link for every product I'm using on my face? Like, do you want the bronzer and the brush? Or do you just want the bronzer, or do you just want the names? I mean, does it help you guys? Or would you rather just have it say eyeshadow and the link? I mean, I'm trying to make this easier for you guys too. Ooh, that wind. So Like to Know It is another thing. So I use Like to Know It reward style. It's available, like I can use it for linking. There is it's available for both now Apple and for Google. That you can download an app and you can actually just follow me there. So you don't have to do that thing on Instagram where you like a photo and then you get an email and then you follow the email. Now you can just have the app and you can type in my name at the top or follow along, and you can click on the photos then. I did hit 10,000 subscribers on Instagram. Hopefully it stays there and doesn't fall down over this year. But with that, I'm able to do that swipe up feature. So you guys can just swipe up and find links that way. I'd like to know if you guys find that helpful. I don't know. I really like, I think I kind of sat down. So I don't do New Year's resolutions really. I don't do like I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. I do tend to try to, as everybody does, try to start eating healthier because after the holidays, I don't tend to start that until after my birthday because I go out to dinner for my birthday and I don't want to feel like I have to like skimp on my birthday dinner. So I usually started after January 9th. Yeah, I mean, another idea I had is because everybody's really, really enjoying the fashion videos and the fashion haul videos. Once a month, I can pull my reports on reward style and see like what the top 5 purchase products are and see what you guys are liking. I think that's a great idea. Favorites and regrets, those ones are always going to be in there. I love watching those. I love doing those. I love thinking about it. Do you guys want to see like a favorites for 2018? I could do that too. Yeah, this video is just kind of a chit chat back and forth. I'd like to know information. I definitely think where my shift came in last year was I tried to focus more on you guys and getting to know you guys and what you guys are looking for. I'm still going to do and buy the things that I like, but I'm trying to kind of shift it. I feel like the general consensus is you guys would rather kind of get to know me and kind of talk back and forth via comments, Instagram stories, etc. Than to see more videos and things like that, which I think that's great. I think Instagram is a much more in the moment of things. You know what I mean? Like, I did a get ready with me today, and someone asked me on Instagram stories. They're like, I love your eye look today. Can you tell me what you did? And I was like, yeah, sure. I was like, I'm going to put it up on Tuesday. Whereas if I had done an Instagram live this morning, you guys could have watched it, or you know what I mean? Things like that. The downside with Instagram lives is they only stay on for 24 hours. So kind of here or there. What did you guys think of that video I did, the get ready with me, what you're missing on Instagram live? Did you guys like that? Did you not like it? I don't know, just like to know your thoughts. But yeah, I definitely think the clothing is definitely, and the fashion has definitely been much more interesting to you guys, and you guys are finding much more interest in it, and like, you like seeing the different things and how to style them and how I wear them and things like that. I definitely think I'm going to try this year more avidly to get into showing you, like, when I get up in the morning, you know how you get those emails with all the sales, and it's like, you just click delete because you're like, I don't have time to read this first thing in the morning. I want to get to my important emails. But I saw and followed somebody, and I thought this was a great idea, is they basically sit down every morning and go through and say, here's the brands that are having a sale. I don't know, let's say, not Nordstrom because they don't have it as often, but let's say I have some stuff over there right now from American Eagle. Okay, American Eagle is having a sale right now on the jeans. Here are some pairs of jeans I have from American Eagle, and show them to you on Instagram stories and say this is how they fit, so on and so forth. That way you can see some items on me. You can see which ones they are. I can do the little swipe up if it helps you guys. And that way you're not missing out on the sales, and you know which items like I have and I love already from that sale. I thought that might be a good idea. But I definitely think I want to start showing you guys, A, more items that are on sale and as they're on sale through Instagram stories. And then B, also start showing you guys more of how I style things. Because a lot of times I feel like you guys are seeing them, like, I'm a mom who runs errands, works at home, and goes to the gym a lot. Like, you're going to see workout clothes, you're going to see casual clothes. Like, that's kind of what it's going to be. You're going to see a lot more Monat stuff. If you hate that stuff, tell me. Please tell me. I post it on my Instagram stories. I don't put it in my feed that often because I know you guys don't particularly want to be bombarded. But in stories, you can just click through. And I really only post if there's like a really good deal. But you know what? Maybe I should just keep that to my Facebook VIP page, because that's truly the people that want to know about that. Facebook. I have a Facebook page. How interested in that are you guys? Would you like to start like conversations back and forth on there? Or are you guys just like, it's mostly some of the same stuff as Instagram? Do you guys use Facebook versus Instagram, one versus another? I'd love to know that, if you like one better than another. Stella and Dot, I am still doing Stella and Dot. I'm slowing down on it. I'm kind of trying, now we all know I'm not very good at this. I'm trying to not buy, I'm laughing at myself as I say this, I'm trying not to buy as much. Okay, clothes I always buy because I'm always changing my mind about that, and I'm always finding new stuff and like great deals and love that. But jewelry, I was on this kick, and especially when I started with Stella and Dot, I think it's been like 4 or 5 years now. When I started, I bought everything as soon as the collection came out. Now I'm kind of learning to just buy what I know I will use, and what I will love and what I will keep using. So I think if I just keep my Stella and Dot and my jewelry over on these two bookcases, that'll cause me to have to pare down. Plus, I feel like I have been wearing more and getting back into more of my, like, not designer jewelry, but like my Yerman, my Hardy, my, you know, stuff like that. And then adding in a piece or two here or there from Stella and Dot. So that is another thing to take into consideration. So I definitely am paring down on that and learning how to pare down on that. I now need to learn how to pare down on my clothing. Bags, do you guys want to see? I have a bunch of nice bags. A lot of people ask me about those all the time, but I don't want to sound like I'm being like, oh, look what I have. Because I'm not. I'm just like, this is what I have, and you guys want to see what I think of them or hear my thoughts and so on and so forth. I do have a Poshmark. I have 5 trash bags full of clothes that I'm going to wash, steam, iron, whatever have you. I have a clothing rack I'm going to put it all on. I'm going to put it all on Poshmark. I'm LisaSz09 over there too. I'm going to put it all on Poshmark. I have some bags. I cannot put my Stella & jewelry on Poshmark, Instagram, so on and so forth, because I get it at a discount. And it can be counterproductive to the people selling, which I totally get. But maybe I'll do like a private Facebook party or page. Thoughts? Anyone have interest in that? I have a lot of pieces. I did pare down my jewelry around October of this year. I have a lot of really good pieces that were limited edition pieces that I just don't grab for religiously. So let me know if you would like to do that. Yeah, and what's the easiest way to do that? Would you guys rather me set up a Facebook page for that and do a sale? Or, oh, you know what I could do maybe? I don't know. Poshmark is probably better for that. I was gonna say I could do a private Facebook page that you have to join, and that's where I'll put everything I have for sale. Would you guys rather that or Poshmark? Let me know on that too. So yeah, this has just kind of been a chit chat. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have not yet gotten these from Target, guys, this t-shirt is like a fleece sweater t-shirt. It is longer. You can wear it with leggings if you want to. I have it on with jeans today. But look at this sleeve. How stinking cute are these sleeves on this? And I think it was like $20. I have it in green and in gray. It is amazing. I will link this below. But it's super comfy, but you're just wearing like a little sweater and it adds a little detail to something. I don't know. You guys let me know if there's anything else you feel like you felt was missing from my channel. Anything you'd like to see more of. I know cooking videos, but here's the key with the cooking videos. I do HelloFresh probably 4 weeks out of a month. And that only leaves me about 4 days that I cook things that are not HelloFresh. Maybe I could do a once a month video of food recipes I did that were not HelloFresh. Let me know your thoughts on that. I don't do as many, because like I do a HelloFresh box every week. This week, for an example, I got home, Monday was a holiday. I got the box on Tuesday. We did the box Tuesday, Wednesday. We're doing it tonight, Thursday night. Tomorrow night, we're going out to dinner with MJ on Friday night. Saturday night, we're going out for my birthday. So I didn't have something else this week. Next week is an example. I'll get the box on Monday. We'll do Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday, Marty's away. We'll do a box on Thursday. And then Friday, usually we'll either pick something up or I'll make something kind of quick. So it doesn't always happen that I need an extra recipe. So let me know your thoughts on that. I know a lot of people miss the cooking videos. Maybe I'll try and add that in here or there. Like maybe one a month? Like seasonally? I don't know. You guys let me know your thoughts on what you'd like on that. So yeah, my channel is definitely evolving. It is always changing, as is everything. But as always, guys, I appreciate you guys so much for sticking with me through the last, 9+ years. Those of you who always say, I remember you from the brick wall, I miss the brick wall. I get it. I miss it some days too, but that brick wall was drafty and cold. So a windy, cold day like this today, that would not be a fun day in that room. So, yeah, I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for everyone who participated in my giveaway over the holidays, my 12 days of beauty. Those will be going out next week. I have to go pick up the priority boxes. They will be going out next week. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching. And I hope you guys enjoyed this and enjoyed just kind of chatting with me. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.